Hello everyone, today I am here with another amazing video. Hope you will be benefited a lot. Without any delay, let's start. First, go to Excel. Here in this bar, you can't find any developer option. So, for bringing developer option to here, you must click on it and go to more commands and click on customize ribbon. Here you must click on developer and press OK. Here it's bring here. What's the magic? Thank you for watching the video. Hope you find this video helpful. Do like, subscribe and share.